Hi, this is Chef Ernest Servantes. Today we'll be making one of my all-time favorites, a root beer whiskey glazed ham. I get myself a good 3-pound country ham, root beer, whiskey, and brown sugar. Now, we can just put it on there, but this is a little trick of the trade. We're gonna start scoring it in 1-inch pieces, kind of like a checkerboard. It's one of my favorite parts of the thing. Not only for presentation wise, but actually gets in the meat and makes it just so flavorful. You wanna go about no more than 1 inch to a 1/2 inch deep. Now we're gonna come back this way, do the same thing. The reason why we wanna put our ham in a pan is for all the great juices that are gonna just seep out, and then we can make our sauce with that as well. But at the same time, it's a heat barrier between your smoker and the ham itself. Okay, now that we have our ham in our smoker, we wanna smoke it for about 2 to 3 hours at 275 to 300. And while that's going, we're gonna make our glaze. First thing we need is a saucepan, a 1/2 cup to a cup of packed brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of Jack Daniel's whiskey, and about 2 cups of your favorite root beer. The cool thing is that you don't have to go inside. You can actually put this on your firebox and let it simmer. You want to reduce by half until it starts getting nice and syrupy. After the first 30 minutes, I start glazing. And when you start glazing, you'll start noticing that you'll start getting a different color. Don't get worried. Don't get scared. It'll start turning darker, but it'll just release out the juices of that ham, and it's amazing. So now it's been 2 hours. We're gonna get that ham out and see how beautiful it looks. Oh yeah. You see how once you score it, it's starting to separate. It has a really good presentation. Man, this looks really good. Now it's time to cut into this bad boy. Oh yeah. Oh my God. Perfection. Big Iron Famous root beer whiskey glazed ham. You gotta get some of this. Woo, that's good.